Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable help me write button in Google account. So what is help me write button? First of all, help me write button helps you to write different kinds of email with the help of AI like Gemini AI. It helps you to generate the emails without any kind of touch or any kind of manual writings. Like you will type the prompt and it will work for you. It will write the email for you. So let's get started. It's a very simple process. As you can see, here is one of my email which I mistakenly buy something on GameStop. As you can see, it is a mistake, so I want a refund. How I can reply or refund? Just I need to tap on the replay and I need to write it down manually, but with the help me option it is quite easy. So how we can get the help me button? As you can see, here is no help me button right now, but if we go to the website called workspace.google.com/labs and a single hyphen sign, then single hyphen and hub. As you can see, this is the website. You can get it on to the description box. Then after that, scroll it down until you see these and you need to take all this up. Then click on the submit button and voila, you are on the success and you are in. So what you need to do, we need to go to the Gmail again and we need to hard reload it. Let's reload the Gmail. All right, as you can see, collaborate with Gemini in Gmail. So we need to tap on the got it button and then we go to the replay again, and as you can see, we got a pen tool icon right here which is help me write button. Just tap on that and now I will write, this is a email for refunding my money which is mistakenly purchased by me. So then I will tap on the create option and it will take some time to write an email for me. And as you can see, the mail has been replaced and email has been written by the AI, and it's very simple. You can now recorrect this if you want anything to correct. Otherwise, just tap on the insert option and it will be insert, then tap on the send button, and it's that much easy. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great